All right, we're going to be doing one box of 2015 Hidden Treasures Autographed Baseball. And we pulled some huge names out of here, including Cal Ripken, Stan Musial, Al Kaline, Juan Marichal, bunch of names out of here. So there are, and the checklist is ridiculous. So you've got Jeter in here, you've got Mike Trout, you've got Pete Rose, you've got a bunch of Hall of Famers, Mickey Mantle, Ted Williams, grand treasure being Babe Ruth. So, which would be incredible. We might not go to sleep tonight if we pull the Babe Ruth out of here. We'd be partying. So here is the rundown for 2015 Hidden Treasures. Bobby A., you've got the Dodgers. Conrad B. with the Brewers, Twins, and Padres. David B. with the Astros. David C. with the Giants, Cardinals, and Nationals. And that was David Chang. David Curtis, you've got the Angels. Eric K. with the White Sox, Phillies, Pirates, Mariners, and Blue Jays. Joe W. with the Reds. John H. with the Tigers. Joseph M., you've got the Cubs. Matt R. With the Red Sox. Oh, excuse me. Maybe getting the Gold Glove and the autographed baseball. Rachel, you've got the New York Yankees, hoping for a Mantle or DiMaggio or Babe Ruth. Scott K., you've got the Rangers. Tony H. with the Orioles and Royals. And then Tony M., you've got the Diamondbacks and the Braves, and then had a handful of teams that went unsold. So good luck to you guys. Let's see what we can pull out of here. What would you do if we pulled a Babe Ruth?
I would scream.
You would scream?
What?
You get to look at it, and then we'd have to put it in the mail. Mail it to Rachel. All right,
I'll give her
put the card there.
$100
You give her $100. I don't think she'd take that gift.
It's not it.
All right.
I have $100.
There's the empty box. Let's look at the baseball first. I don't know. Is that Matt Cain?
Cain.
I feel like we already pulled. No. I feel like we already pulled a Matt Cain out of here. We did a couple boxes ago. It looks like Matt Cain. Number 18. I don't know if he's number 18. Let's see if we're right. We are. The second Matt Cain we've pulled out of here. So going to the San Francisco Giants. Here's the first perfect game back in 2012. So the Giants picking up a nice Matt Cain autographed baseball. And that's going to be going to David. David Chang picking up a nice Matt Cain autograph. So congratulations on that. No.
Daddy.
All right, so congratulations, David, to you. We'll get this baseball mailed out to you tomorrow. We will be doing another box of this. We'll be doing these for a while, so every weekend. So we got the next box is on eBay now. So go check that out and jump in and see if we can pull a huge name out of there. So thank you guys for jumping in on Hidden Treasures.